Perfect pizza isn't just about the toppings, it's about the soul of the dough. Once you've tried a real sourdough pizza, light, flavorful and alive, you will never go back. Today I'll show you everything I've learned in Italy, how to make the perfect sourdough pizza at home. In this video, I show you how to bake this amazing pizza in an Ooni oven, but also how to do it in a regular home oven. You'll see it's not just possible, both is delicious. I was born in Italy, a country where pizza is more than food, it's culture. Pizza recipes are passed down through families, that's true for me too, and almost every town has its own little pizzeria. But with the invention of industrial yeast, many switched away from sourdough. It was faster, easier, more predictable. For several years now, some of the best pizzerias are going back to the roots, discovering sourdough. You will find high quality and original pizzas at these locations. Sourdough gives pizza a deep, complex flavor. It's healthier, easier to digest, and it leaves your stomach feeling happy, not heavy. To make our pizza dough, we first need to wake up the starter. In a clean glass jar, mix 70 grams of your starter with 70 grams of water and 70 grams of flour. Stir well until smooth. Mark the level with a rubber band, cover it loosely and let it rest. Depending on the room temperature and the strength of your starter, it can take a few hours or overnight. I keep mine at around 78 Fahrenheit. And then the magic happens. Watch how it grows, full of life and energy. This is your natural yeast at work. Let's make the dough. In a large bowl, add the water first, then the starter. Whisk until the starter dissolves completely. It should look a bit milky. Now start adding the flour, little by little. At first it's sticky and soft, but as you go it turns into a beautiful elastic dough. Now use your hands. This is where the connection starts. When everything is combined, cover the bowl with a clean towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. This helps the flour fully absorb the water. After resting, sprinkle in the salt and fold it into the dough. Then pour a little olive oil on your hands and gently massage it in. It will make your dough soft and silky. This part is my favorite and my workout. Stretch, fold and slap the dough on the surface. You'll feel how it gets stronger under your hands. Then cover it and let it rest again for 30 minutes. Over the next 90 minutes, repeat the process. Fold, rest, fold again. Each time the dough becomes smoother and more elastic. This slow process builds the perfect structure and flavor. Now it's time to divide the dough into 4 equal parts. Fold each piece gently into itself to create tension, then shape it into a smooth ball. Place each ball into a lightly floured box or tray, cover and refrigerate. The dough ferments for 48 hours. You can go shorter or longer. The longer it rests, the deeper the flavor. Before baking, bring it to room temperature for about 3 hours. While the dough comes to life, prepare your toppings. Simple but high-quality ingredients make all the difference. I like to crush the tomatoes by hand. It gives a rustic texture. Then I add a pinch of salt, a drizzle of olive oil and some fresh basil leaves. That's it, pure flavor. Freshly grated Parmesan always brings more aroma and intensity. It's worth it. Preheat your pizza oven to full heat. It takes about 20 minutes. Place your dough ball on a floured surface. Flip to coat both sides. Start pressing from the middle, gently pushing the air towards the edge to form the crust. Then stretch it out. Use your hands, not a rolling pin, until it's thin in the center and round like a real Italian pizza. Spread a thin layer of sauce. Less is more. Add mozzarella and a sprinkle of Parmesan on top. Lower the flame slightly before baking. Place your pizza in, turn it every few seconds and watch. It bakes fast. In just a few minutes, the crust turns golden and the cheese melts perfectly. And here it is. Crispy on the outside, soft inside and full of flavor. You can bake the same dough in a regular oven. Shape it on a parchment paper, add your toppings and bake at 445 Fahrenheit or 230 Celsius for 16 to 20 minutes. It won't look exactly like the Ooni pizza, but it's just as delicious. Both ways, pure happiness. If you love sourdough and want to learn more, check out my other recipes. See you soon and buon appetito!